I thought I would show you what I got from Cass Art Suppliers. I got some Michael Harding paints, a couple of Cass's own paints to try, and I also got a Miracle Medium, which is by Michael Harding, which I'm really excited to try. So this came on promotion with the Michael Harding pack of paints that I got. If you spent a certain amount, it came with it, so I'm really excited to try it. Here I am trying Cass's own brand of gold metallic, and I use a lot of gold in my paintings, and this paint doesn't disappoint. It's really buttery, it's got really nice subtle sparkle sheen to it. And here with all these test swatches, you'll see me straight out the tube testing, and then also with the Miracle Medium, which I'm really impressed by so far. I really like the fluidity that it's given the paints. This paint is peach pink. I just wanted to get a base for skin tones. I have been making them with a limited palette, which is fine, but I just wanted something, a starting point, just to sort of add to. Here you can see it's very pigmented and buttery, and I'm really impressed by Cass's own brand of paints. Now I'm going to try the Michael Harding paints. This one is neutral tint. This set is the Cass exclusive 40th anniversary. It came with 6 paints. This is almost a black, but you can really thin it down, and it's sort of like a dark denim-y sort of colour. And I really like it. It's nice to have an alternative to what I already have. I've been using a limited palette with the introductory set by Michael Harding. Here is Aqua Green. I can say this one. Again, really nice and buttery, and you can thin it right down to a beautiful shade of green. I don't currently have a green in my collection, so I'm really excited to start using this because I use a lot of green that I make up in skin tones. And yeah, I love how sort of it has a bluish tint to it almost. And here I am not even going to butcher trying to say the name of the blue. It begins with P, blue red shade. I really can't say the name, but again, this is quite a little bit different to what is in the introductory set. I should have done side by side, but maybe I'll do that if people want that. But it's a really nice shade that you can really thin down, add to skin tones. This one I'm so excited for. This is Opera Rose, and this, I think I'm going to be using this for my underpaintings. I think it will give a nice luminosity to the paintings, and to be honest, using it was just making me smile, and I feel like it's just going to give my painting some good vibes. But when you first start painting, it always goes through that ugly phase, and this is just going to cheer me up a little bit about that phase. But as you can see, you can thin it right down, and I think it could be good for skin tones as well. I can't say this really long word. The yellow that comes in the introductory set is called Yellow Lake, and I find it a little bit neon for what I use. I know I'm saying that coming after saying how much I love Opera Rose, but the yellow, just, I don't use it as much as I think I'll use this. I mean, I use it for the skin tones because I do portraits, but yes, this is more my vibe. Warm white, I can definitely say this one. I use titanium white at the moment, so I'm excited to be adding this to my collection, and it's hard to see here, but it's got a nice undertone to it. Again, it's going to be really nice for skin tones, and parts that you don't want super white. But here is I know my palette is very chaotic, but so am I. I'm just gonna be showing you a little tiny bit of how the gold is, and yeah, I really enjoyed everything that I got from Cass. This is not sponsored, I wish. This painting, I have used Michael Harding paints for the whole thing, and I'm really enjoying using this brand of paint. I've never used them until this year, and it's been really rewarding and fun to use. And I hope you enjoyed this video if you made it this long. Thank you, bye!